How do you know if your water has lead? Invisible enemies are terrifying, just like the lead in our drinking water. If you keep consuming water being unaware of the existence of lead in it, your body can collect lead day by day until it affects your physical and mental health and causes profound harm. How does lead get into the drinking water? The faucets corrode, the lead will be released. If your tap comes with an aerator, lead sediments can clog up at the outlet and affect the running water deeply. How to know whether there is lead in your water? First off, the best way is to contact your local water supply company for support. Some of them offer free tests. Also, you can test the water by yourself. Remember to choose the right type of water test kit depending on your area's water quality. Make sure you will follow directions carefully and only use first draw water, the very first water coming out of your pipes in a new day. What to do when you find out lead exists in your water? Clean your aerator regularly. Use water filters properly. Claterans offers good quality water filters. You can order them on claterans.com.